How to turn off blood in Real Boxing 2. If you prefer a cleaner boxing experience or want the game to be more family friendly, Real Boxing 2 allows you to disable the blood effect directly from the game settings. Launch open Real Boxing 2 game on your mobile device and log in. From the main menu, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. From the options that appears on the screen, tap on blood. Make sure that the blood option is crossed with a red mark. Once it is turned off, get back to the home page and start a fight. Now you will be able to notice the difference. You will not see the blood effect while boxing in Real Boxing 2. This helps create a smoother and more comfortable gameplay experience, especially younger players or players who prefer non-violent visuals. So that is how you can easily turn off blood effect. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.